Show the video your slug.
What color is it?
Black. Black.
And it's a slug. And where'd you find it?
On the grass. I picked it up.
Kiss him.
That was
He just wipes it off.
X.
Is that your friend?
Yeah.
What should we name him?
It's not his name.
Well, what should we name him?
It's from his gold.
What's his name?
There's bug juice all over there. Slug juice.
What's his name?
A caterpillar.
His name's Caterpillar?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're adorable.
Do you love Caterpillar?
Can I save him?
Where do you want
Keep him
Where do you want to keep him?
in the tank.
In what tank?
In my tank.
In your fishing tank?
Yeah.
He doesn't live in water.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
He lives in the puddle.
He lives in the puddle.
And he lives in dirt.
Yeah.
And he lives in dirt.
Mom told me he was gonna suck the
Oh my God. It's a caterpillar now. No, it's a caterpillar now. Put him in the pants. I want.
You saying goodbye to him?
I'm not going bye-bye.
Put him in the plant. Did you put him in there?
Yeah. Look. He's in there.
Is that his new home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I pick it up?
Don't squish him.
Come on.
Be gentle with him.
Come on back.
What'd you say?
Come on back. Where is he? Where is he going?
Are you gonna keep him forever?
I'll keep him in your hand. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. I got some food for him. And I got wood on him. I'm gonna save this and put my fishing pole on this. I'm gonna hook him.
You're gonna use him as bait?
Yeah. He's bait.
You know, I'll tell you something. When you were on the bed, you saw like what's his face in the
Caterpillar.
front, and he's just like,
Look at him.
he's like,
Can I save him? He's in his new home.
He is. You gonna sit next to me?
He's gonna sit next to you.
Okay, no, I don't want him next to me. Oh
Why?
God. 'Cause
Why?
I don't like slugs.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Take
Oh, he's
a
upside down.
picture of
Here's
it.
the caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
It's a slug, but you named him Caterpillar.
There's a bug.
I think he needs moisture now. He's looking a little dry.
He's looking a little dry.
Can you give the camera
Don't flip him and wake him.
Can you give the camera kisses? Okay, say bye.
Bye.